be a character over. I really don't feel like doing that. You, just before or after. Do like should break, right? Shouldn't have any problems with him. Fuck you. Just want this. Oh, okay. Sure, man. Sure. I'm just gonna fucking put this up somewhere. Whoa. What the heck? Oh, because I didn't fucking... It's very resize, right? Now this one wants a fucking pointer, Jesus. It's not resize because this is a static sized array. How do I do the reserve? I think it's reserve. Wait, no, this should be fine. This should be totally fine. So maybe Just do it the stupid way. I think it's this. I think this is the problem. Am I like retarded? Is it because the defer? I don't see why it would be, but why is it because of the defer? I'm deferring it. It should go way down here. Why would that? Okay. It's probably some fucking GPU concurrency bullshit. This is probably a memory leak, but at this point I really don't fucking care. So if I still null this, is it still a problem? No, it's fine. Okay, so then I should be able to... There is a way to turn this into a C string. Jesus. Could be a way to... Am I like being retarded? I low key might be. C-style strings are pointers to some data somewhere. Oh. I wonder if I could just do... I'm not that lucky. Yes. Maybe the Discord has something to say. Oh, you can cast an array of U8 to string. Look at that. Okay. So, cast. Wow. Why did it put it in the middle of my string? Okay, so that's good. So that's what I wanted it to do. Cool. So now I can go to here. I can remove my arrays slash. Then why did this crash? Unexpected. Oh. Yeah, that'll do it. Let me do this, then. Nothing, and then if there was a... and then... You know, I think I want to crash. Let me, like... There isn't a cert, right? Assert that. Size. And I want the message to be cast. Oh, log. So that should help. Alright, so it should crash. Oh. Print the... Backwards? Is this what I need to be doing? Am I stupid? Oh, start worked the other way. Okay, so this should be fine. And then I can fuck something up in here. Beautiful. Are all arrays heap allocations though, or is this a stack array? I think all dynamic arrays are heap allocations. I mean, like... It'd be kind of retarded to, like, every time I make a shader object, like, just use up 1024 bytes on the heap and then just, like, leave it there. I would kind of blow. Oh, but at this point, I don't really care about that. Okay. So that's fine. And then let me, this. This is low-key, like, the evil way of doing it, but... Okay, cool. Beautiful. Better error handling on shader compilation. That's huge. Because I don't want my program to compile if a shader doesn't compile. It's like low-key evil. Still isn't perfect. Okay, so this should be working in theory then. So then this needs to be plus 1 over size x. I'm pretty sure is what this needs to be. That like almost worked. Right, okay, so you start here. This is how big your shit is. How big is this whole thing? So this whole thing is 81 by 40. So it's going to try to divide this evenly by 4. It's just not going to work. Do I need an extra pixel of padding everywhere? I really don't want to deal with that. That might be just like the easy solution. Let me like... Let me see, how much redundant data does like a game sprite sheet use? Oh, that's funny. There is so much padding between these. That's funny. I should actually use this. I mean, there's so much padding, so maybe it's really not that big a deal. Oh, I don't want to fucking sit here and do this. Eesh, okay. So how much would this be? So it's an extra... Is it still like 85? I don't think it is. Let me like... I can do one of these and we'll make it like 84, and that's if that's not enough. Then oops. Let me like remove this line. I mean, now I know what that does, but it's not necessary anymore because I'm just gonna do it the dumb way. It makes sense why it's like this, I suppose. So let me like move you over. So you get 1 pixel. That side. You need... Okay, this should be plenty. Yeah. This is 84. Okay, that's much better, actually. Yes. Yes. Now if I do that, I walk downwards, it shouldn't be all wonked. Okay. That looks good. Looks good. As opposed to that, which does not look good. Okay, so 84 is fine now. Let's save that. Okay, so then the new resolution should be 84. So let me open all of these. This is the one it was most obvious on, so let's resize this. 84 pixels. Oosh, let me copy it first, then resize. Now, if we open this back up, that should be fixed. Okay, yeah. Cool. Wait, something didn't look right on that back roll. Sorry, hold on. No, it's fine. Does Chris always have blue? Huh. I don't think I've ever noticed that. I wonder if that sprite got changed. I feel like I've never noticed that. Cool, okay. It works now. Now for the part that I've been dreading, I need to fix the animation system. So let me commit that. No, are we really gonna do this through GitHub Terminal? What do I look like to you? Oops. That's how men do it. That's how men push to get. That's just how men do it. I don't make the rules, dude. This is also kind of goofy, but that's with my movement logic. That's not anything that I'm actually working on right now. Oh, there's still this. And then the jitter Chris, but yeah. It's fun just watching him walk around, or them. It's fun watching them just walk around. Animation system. Oh, I really don't want to do this, but I have to. I have to. I really want to, but I have to. Let me open up. Did I see it there? Yeah. Of this. I'll open up this. So the problem is that right now I'm manually overriding the animation frame. And I shouldn't be doing that. This should be like a global solution. Fire dick and balls. That's very interesting. It times 2 to itself, but then it went up. Definitely not the behavior that I want. It's like this global animation frame, or not the global. Animation frame should only increase as per some timer. That's cap that incorporates delta time, right? Not sure what to do about, like, the animation frame. The increase when, like, it should be a number of seconds, right? The play animation thing should be a number of seconds, and you could do less than that. You could do, 0.001 seconds, or I guess like 0.1 seconds, 0.5 seconds if you wanted to do half of a second of an animation. I guess by that logic, your U32 would be number of milliseconds, so 1,000 would be 1. It's 1,000 milliseconds in a second, right? You could do like, let me look at where my play animation function is. Sneaker, for that matter. Should animation frame be stored in the sprite? Yeah, actually, yes, definitely should. Maybe. Probably. Alright, so animating is true. Right, because one sprite can only play one animation at a time, right? So stands to reason that. I'm like exhausted, bro. What the hell? I hit start streaming and I just fucking lost everything. Because, like, maybe animation frame should not be a frame. Maybe animation frame should be based in milliseconds. And then your current frame, your current, cell is animation frame divided by duration, rounded down. +1 to account for 0. +1 cell, right? Because if you're at 0, round it down, then you're... no, maybe not +1. That seems reasonable. That seems very reasonable. Let's try that. Let's do some things. So the first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna remove this animation frame thing. That shouldn't do much for me until I click this button and then get back to jitteriness. Okay, that's what I wanted. Okay, and I also did this anymore, I think. So what type is animation frame? This is in sprite, which is over here. That's fine. This should really be renamed timer. Or block. Alright, and then what we're gonna do is in the engine, we're gonna go down here. Where is it? Am I dumb? Yes. Game state dot delta time divided by 1,000. How much does that break? So much. Alright, this is an integer. This is actually not fine. That's fine. That's okay. So then, when we get to that, so that's in GL uniform 1IV. This divided by that. We need to calculate. We need to calc this first. We need to calc this. So we're gonna do. We'll calc this up here. This is an S32 equals floor of this divided by this, or no, it's divided by duration. Do I store duration anywhere? Need to store duration here. This is in milliseconds. Yeah, I'm just gonna make this fucking all S32. Animation frame, this should be... This doesn't need to be a floor, this can just be... This is all S32s. Oh, this might need to be 1,000 divided by delta time. I can floor this. Cast it. Jeez. Oh, piss off. Let me just try divided by 1,000. I might have got that right. No, it's definitely this. Is there like a safe divide? +1, just for testing purposes. Fucking where? Hello? Where else? Oh. Yo, show me where there's integer. Show me where that is, bro. $130? Animation duration. Only one place where we do the division. I don't see how that could ever be 0. +1 millisecond. Fuck it. Like just to see. Okay. I think that's like reasonably what I expected. No, it isn't. It's not what I expected, I don't think. This might need to be this. The idea is to turn delta time into some number of milliseconds, because delta time's in seconds, right? So or am I stupid? Don't answer that. So let me go back to main. Let me just make sure I'm not. Delta time equals 2 floats 64 seconds. Let me try printing. Print. Divided 1,000 divided by that. It's almost certainly this. That number's changing quite a bit. Like to increase by that much every frame? Is this in milliseconds, like, secretly? What is just regular delta time? This. Alright. This is... Like, I'm almost thinking casting this to a float is what's fucking me here. Right, because this is its own thing. DT. Dad! Okay, okay.